Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing a part 3 video, but we're going to split up each part into another video. So this part of the video, you'll be seeing an undercarriage cleaning on a vehicle. Actually, probably all 3 of these vehicles. You'll get a glimpse of each and every one of them at some point. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is explain why we're doing this and why you guys can benefit from this over the next couple months, and then you can continue to do this the rest of the time. It's really good to do in the winter. You can save yourself from rust buildup. You can save yourself from a lot of trouble as far as metal work, because not all of this trim is plastics. Make sure it's all clean of that road work, that salt, and that chemicals that will lay on your paint and metal and will rust away over the next whatever 10 years. You won't regret doing this. We'll get out of the wind here. Just go ahead and make sure that you go ahead and do this throughout the winter. If you don't have access to a undercarriage cleaner, go to your local touchless wash. They should have one of those little spray nozzles that go under the undercarriage, but make sure you go slow on those so that way you get your full vehicle, get your money's worth as well. That's a helpful hint right there. So what we're gonna do is show you different ways you can go about cleaning it, and then that way you can keep it clean all winter long. Let's get into it. So a thing you could do with the undercarriage here, make sure it focuses here, a lot of buildup will be right in here in between these gaps, so you want to go ahead and like spray this, and then down under here these things are definitely a buildup of rocks and whatnot, so you want to go ahead and spray behind this as well. It's a good idea to spray around the wheel wells or the drums of the tires, and then spray on the suspension and whatnot back here. Under the vehicle, they'll see that mine's fairly clean. I do try to keep my undercarriage fairly clean, so a lot of this area under here will be caked up with road salt, road grime, so you want to clean that out best you can. If you see any dirt and buildup on here, you probably want to go ahead and use a foam brush or just an agitation brush to get all that loosened up. So let's get into it. So what I like to get started with is a wheel drum brush, and then I go ahead and use a soft bristle brush. It's a wheel brush, and then they do make longer ones, so that way you can go underneath the wheels a little bit easier and you don't have to basically ruin your hands by doing this. I like using a bucket filled with water, and then I like using a grit guard so all the grit goes in the bottom of the bucket and it does not rinse on your vehicle in case you only have one bucket to work with in the whole entire time. So the first thing I like to use is a power washer with a 40-degree spray nozzle. Go in and around the wheel well. I had carpeted wheel well, so this does take a little bit longer, but do take your time on this step, as it does take a little bit of time to get all the dirt off the vehicle. Also, one other step I like doing is opening the doors and doing the inside trim of the vehicle where road grime does sit. I just go ahead and power wash that out, but be mindful as where you're spraying the water because it could get inside the vehicle. So Once I finish that stage, I go ahead and use an undercarriage cleaner. This undercarriage cleaner is fantastic. I use this all the time on my vehicles. There is one by Ryobi that I like using, but there's also one that you can buy on Amazon with extensions to get further under the vehicle. I will have that linked down in the description for you guys to purchase if you would like. And if you would take 2 seconds out of your day to smash that like button, hit that subscribe and notification bell, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.